Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, magluluto ako ng Prince beans or Baguio beans with pork. At syempre meron akong chopped onions and garlic. At meron akong pinaghalo na sauce. This is a dark sauce, soya sauce, light sauce at meron siyang black pepper para isang ano na lang siya. So before natin i-fry guys, ayan, dito natin kawali. And before tayo mag-start ng frying, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking upcoming and more videos on coming. So ayan, mainit na po yung ating kawali, ating oil. So ilagay natin yung ating onions. Fry the onions first until light brown. Okay, then next is garlic. Fry the garlic also and then light brown. And let it stirring. Okay guys, napakasimple lang po nitong aking recipe for today na parang sa inyo. And this is very easy and syempre yummy. So you see, the garlic and the onion says lightly brown. Now, we need to fry the pork. And yung ating pork. Fry the pork. Haluin na mabuti guys ang ating baboy, ating pork. Para mabilis siya maluto at pantay yung kanyang pagkaluto. Ayan, lutuin lang. Haluin natin ng mabuti. Keep stirring until magpareho na yung ano nila guys, yung luto ng meat. Ayan, haluin lang, haluin. So ayan guys, okay, so ilagay natin yung ating pinaghalong sauce na soy sauce, light sauce, oyster sauce with the black pepper. Ayan, para isahang lagay na lang guys. And then, stir again, haluin. Napakadali na po nitong recipe na to. At saka madali ito lumambot yung baboy ko guys kasi ano pa to, baby pork pa. So ayan, hayaan mo natin ni takpan ang ating kawali until hanggang sa boil siya. Let it simmer until the pork is soft, okay?
A few moments later.
So guys, after 20 minutes na pagpapalambot na ating pork, ayan, check na natin dito guys. Ayan, check natin kung malambot na yung ating pork. Ayan, tikman mo natin ito ha. Kung sure na malambot at saka yung masarap na yung lasa na. Okay na. So next na natin yung ating Prince beans or right? Ayan, Prince beans or Baguio beans. Ayan, keep stirring lang guys. Haluin na natin yung ating Baguio beans or Prince beans. Ayan, hanggang sa maluto yung ating Prince beans guys. Pero huwag natin latain guys. Mas masarap dito sa Baguio beans yung medyo crunchy siya. Masarap. Ayan, haluin muna ng mabuti. Haluin na ng haluin. Haluin natin. Ayan. Pero huwag natin latain ang ating Baguio beans guys. Kasi pag malata siya, hindi na siya masarap or hindi na siya crunchy. So ayan, takpan mo natin ito hanggang sa lambot, alright? Yan, takpan mo natin ito. At hindi natin na lumambot siya.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, after a few minutes, check natin ulit ito. Ayan, it looks na luto na siya. Ayan, stir mo natin, haluin natin ito. Ayan. Katamtaman lang po yung ano ng ating Prince beans guys. Yan, hindi po yan lata at hindi po siya, ay, ano, parang ano lang, parang half cook lang para hindi siya pangit pag sobrang lata ng ating Baguio beans. So, tikman natin ito guys ha. Yummy. Ayan. Ito na po ang aking beans beans. Off natin yung ating fire. Ayan. Ilipat natin ito guys sa ating serving plate o serving bowl. I mean serving Tupperware o whatever. Ayan po. Ayan. So yan guys. I-serve na natin ito ng hot and with love. Ayan. Mas masarap pag ano to guys, pag lutong-luto. Ayan. Tikman natin yung baboy. Sarap. Yan guys, hanggang dito na po akong video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Bye guys. Love you all. Bye bye.